Hi all, as we can see, the back side of the Astra is on the ramps, so you can probably tell I'm going to change the fuel filter or diesel filter. So just quickly, what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. Try to maybe get the one with as wide front as possible, but this should do anyway, hopefully. And a 36mm socket and ratchet. I don't have a 36mm on hand, so I'm going to chance it with the normal wrench. I have done it before with this actually, so I hope that it works. And your new fuel filter, and it kind of comes with some sort of a gasket there as well, seal or whatever you call it. And that's pretty much what you need. I only have a few bits and pieces lying around, and also something to put underneath, just to collect all the fuel. So the right hand driver's seat, and the location I'll show you there, just under the rear passenger side, no at the back of the driver's side actually. So just like that, I'll show you here again now. Here down, if you go underneath the car, this is this plastic over here. So the flat area you can see, I'll try to go ahead here and do it actually if I can. So just try and open it loose. This will actually come out, I think, all the way. Yeah, it's coming out now. There. It's good too. Can I use gloves as well? Yes, my hands will keep smelling. That's why I used a bigger pot as well, because it's windy and the fuel can go all over the shop. So I'll just wait for it to drain, and then I'll show you the next step. So as you can see, I actually ended up buying the 36mm socket because I was going to be using it for other stuff anyway, so I said why not. I have it cracked open there. I'll try it and do it again with this just to show you. Small before, and just be careful because I know there's more fuel which comes out. So, this is handy. Alright. Leave it like that. That's a good way to leave it as well. So I'll show you in a second. This is our old fuel filter. As you can see, this is the bottom side. It kind of clips into it, and it isn't as bad as I thought it would be, which is a good sign I suppose. And that's our new filter. It goes in this way, not OEM again, I know, but it should do the job. And I'll just press it in, I think, like that. Yeah, it should do. And also the gasket thing, it's kind of just under, just inside, a bit of a space in the side, like this, like that, yeah, and the edges. So that's that. I'll put that in and I'll show you then after. So this is our new actually seal thing. I'll show you afterwards. This is our filter secured. I have the gasket thing in there, and I'm just putting it back in. It's that simple. I'll actually try to find if there's any torque spec on it. Oh, there is 25 Newton meters. I don't have any torque wrench so far, so I'm going to tighten it as much as I can easily, like. So this is fairly in, and I'm going to just tighten it a small bit more with the socket and ratchet, and that's about it. And then what you're going to do is put the plastic cover thing in there, so it has a bit of a thread on it in there. So let's go ahead there now and do that as well, just like that. And there was a torque on that as well, 2 + 1 Nm, but you know yourself that once it's tight enough, it's tight. I'll leave that there, and I'm going to just tighten it a small bit more, and that should do. And as with all the fuel filter changes, you might have to prime it. So basically, I'll do it there actually in a second. So I've tightened the fuel filter cover. What you do then is just turn the key towards ignition, don't start it, and leave it for a few seconds, let it go, do it again, just this much, and don't start it with the clutch. Let the fuel pump run maybe and to prime the fuel filter area. Just I suppose 3 times should do. You should be able to listen. If it stops buzzing, you can go ahead and start. I'll give it a try now. So no, should let the lights go. And that was about it. Should be happy out. And that's all. I'll call this the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope it have helped somebody out there, and make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. Thanks, and we'll see you in some other video.